How to draw the pigeon, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? I hope you're all doing great today. So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a big circle for the outline of the head right here towards the top center of the page. Next, on the inside of the circle, we're going to draw two more circles, one for the outline of the eye, along with a second for the pupil. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Now, on the inside of that circle that we just drew together, let's draw a smaller circle and fill it in completely black. Nice! Now once we're all done drawing the head, the next step will be to draw the mouth, also known as the beak. We're going to draw this on the right hand side, and we're going to make it by drawing two small shapes that look similar to triangles. Next, attached to the bottom of the head, we're going to draw two long lines that are both going down to make the neck. Now once we're all done drawing those two lines, the next step will be to draw the body. So let's go ahead and draw a long line that will go from here on the left hand side of the page all the way over to that point where we stopped for the first line that we drew. Next, on the inside of the body that we just made, we're going to draw one wing. Now on the right side of the body, on the outside, we're going to draw the second wing, which will appear to be pointing upwards. Now attached to the bottom of the body, we're going to draw the two legs along with the feet. To draw the legs, we're just going to draw simple long skinny lines. For the feet, we're just going to draw a total of 3 toes by using small lines as well. Now last but not least, we're going to draw a rectangular shape on the neck of our pigeon. This is how to draw the pigeon. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. Next, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.